Hey everyone, Jen here with Tint 360, and today I'm going to talk to you about protecting your full vehicle in just a minute. First is installing a nano ceramic window film on all of the glass. Applying ceramic window film to your vehicle windows will drastically reduce solar energy heat along with up to 90% of infrared heat. While that seems like more than enough, you will also be fully protected from harmful UV rays. Secondly is our paint protection film. This is the most effective way to protect your vehicle from road damage such as rock chips and high-impact objects that can cause severe damage. This invisible exterior protection is better than ever with its patented super hydrophobic technology. It can be maintained just like your vehicle's paint to maintain a vehicle's original high-gloss shine. Lastly is Ceramic Coating by Ceramic Pro. This is a multi-layer clear liquid nano ceramic coating. Its glossy, slick, and self-cleaning properties prevent environmental contaminants such as bird droppings, bugs, and dirt from bonding to the surface. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.